In this video, you will learn and practice how to pronounce French letter combinations. Let's go.
Letter combination.
Ou. Bonjour.
Hello.
Bonjour.
Rouge.
Red.
Rouge.
Amour.
Love.
Amour.
Tour.
Tower.
Tour.
Joueur.
Player.
Joueur.
Fourmi.
Ant.
Fourmi.
Ready to show off what you've learned? Let's see how well you remember the meaning and pronunciation of the words using OU.
Bonjour. Bonjour. Rouge. Rouge. Amour. Amour. Tour. Tour. Joueur. Joueur.
Letter combination.
Oie. Poisson.
Fish.
Poisson.
Voiture.
Car.
Voiture.
Étoile.
Star.
Étoile.
Doigt.
Finger.
Doigt.
Soir.
Evening.
Soir.
Froid.
Cold.
Froid.
Quiz time.
You're doing great. Let's see how well you can remember the words using OI.
Poisson. Poisson. Voiture. Voiture. Étoile. Étoile. Doigt. Doigt. Soir. Soir.
Letter combination.
Raisin.
Grape.
Raisin.
Français.
French.
Français.
Lait.
Milk.
Lait.
Nez.
Nose.
Nez.
Manger.
To eat.
Manger.
Chanter.
To sing.
Chanter.
Travailler.
To work.
Travailler.
Let's practice the meaning and pronunciation of those words.
Quiz time.
Raisin. Raisin. Français. Français. Nez. Nez. Manger. Manger. Chanter. Chanter.
Letter combination.
Chapeau.
Hat.
Chapeau.
Automobile.
Automobile.
chaud,
hot,
chaud,
fauteuil,
armchair,
fauteuil,
gâteau,
cake,
gâteau.
Let's practice the meaning and pronunciation of those words.
Quiz time.
chapeau, chapeau, automobile, automobile, chaud, chaud, fauteuil, fauteuil, gâteau, gâteau,
letter combination,
bleu,
blue,
Bleu,
2,
2,
2,
heureux,
happy,
heureux,
jeune,
young,
jeune,
auteur,
author,
auteur.
Now, practice the meaning and pronunciation of words using the combination letter EU.
Quiz time.
bleu, deux, heureux, jeune, auteur,
Bonjour. Rouge. Amour. Poisson. Voiture. Étoile. Raisin. Français. Lait. Nez. Manger. Chanter. Chaud. Auteur. Bleu.
To take your pronunciation skills even further, why not rewatch the video? Each time you practice, you're getting closer to mastering it. Loving the content? Please subscribe and stay updated with all the latest tips and practices.